Do you want to save more money? Welcome to the Money-Savvy Millennial, your ultimate guide to saving big. We're here to equip you with invaluable tips and tricks to help you effectively manage and save your hard-earned money. This comprehensive guide will cover everything from resisting the lure of impulse purchases to navigating those larger financial commitments that can feel so daunting. We're here to demystify the world of personal finance and provide you with the tools to build a sturdy financial foundation. You can expect to gain insights into budgeting techniques, explore various saving strategies, and learn how to make informed spending decisions. We'll help you identify unnecessary expenses, cultivate a frugal mindset, and prioritize your long-term financial goals. With our guidance, you'll be empowered to take control of your finances and secure a prosperous future. So, are you ready to transform your financial outlook? Join us as we dive into the world of personal finance and reveal the secrets to building a strong financial foundation. Firstly, we need to identify unnecessary expenses that may be draining your wallet. Now, this doesn't mean you must live a life of deprivation. Instead, it's about understanding the difference between needs and wants, and making conscious decisions about your spending. Imagine walking into a coffee shop. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafts through the air, enticing you to grab a cup. But do you need that $5 latte, or is it simply a want you could do without? Perhaps brewing coffee at home could be a more budget-friendly alternative. This is just one example of how small daily purchases can add up over time, and before you know it, you've spent a small fortune on lattes. Similarly, consider your monthly subscriptions. From streaming services to gym memberships, these recurring expenses can take a considerable chunk out of your budget. Are you using all the services you're paying for? Could you swap your premium music streaming subscription for a free version? Or perhaps share a Netflix account with a friend or family member? And then there's impulse buying, that sneaky budget destroyer. A good rule of thumb is to wait a day or two before making a non-essential purchase. This gives you time to think it over and decide if it's really worth it. By identifying and reducing these unnecessary expenses, you can significantly increase your savings. And remember, every little bit counts when you're on the path to financial freedom. Developing a frugal mindset is a key step towards becoming a money-savvy millennial. So what does it mean to be frugal? It's not about pinching pennies or denying yourself pleasures. It's about understanding the value of money and making it work for you. It's about being intentional with your spending, ensuring every pound has a purpose. It's about prioritizing needs over wants and investing in experiences rather than things. To develop a frugal mindset, start by tracking your spending. Understand where your money goes and question if it's really worth it. Learn to distinguish between needs and wants. Next, practice delayed gratification. Resist the urge to make impulse purchases. Wait a day or two before buying something you want. Often you'll find the urge to buy fades away. Remember, being frugal is not about deprivation, it's about making smart choices that add value to your life. A frugal mindset doesn't mean living a life of deprivation. It's about making informed and intentional decisions about your spending. Now that we've cut back on unnecessary expenses and developed a frugal mindset, it's time to prioritize long-term financial goals. Setting clear financial goals is vital to your journey towards financial freedom. Think of your financial goals as your financial roadmap. They give you direction and help you make informed decisions about your money. Whether it's buying a house, saving for retirement, or setting up a college fund for your future kids, these goals provide a clear picture of where you're headed financially. To make your goals more achievable, consider using the SMART approach. This means your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, I want to save money, say, I want to save £20,000 in 5 years for a house deposit. This goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and has a set timeline. Staying committed to these goals can be challenging, especially when faced with immediate financial demands. Here's a tip. Make your goals visible. Write them down, put them in a place where you can regularly see them, or even set reminders on your phone. Regularly reviewing your goals can keep them fresh in your mind and help maintain your focus. Remember, your financial journey is a marathon, not a sprint. It's not about how fast you can achieve your goals, but how consistent you are in working towards them. Remember, long-term financial goals are not achieved overnight. Patience, discipline, and consistency are key. While saving is important, growing your wealth through sensible investments is equally crucial. So let's delve into the world of investing. Essentially, investing is about putting your money to work, allowing it to generate more money over time. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree, bearing fruits year after year. Now you might be wondering, where do I start? Well, there are several beginner-friendly investment options. Consider putting your money into a high-yield savings account or a certificate of deposit. These are safe, low-risk options that guarantee a return. For those willing to take a bit more risk for potentially higher returns, mutual funds or exchange-traded funds are worth exploring. They offer a diversified portfolio, spreading the risk while providing a taste of the stock market. And if you're feeling adventurous, investing in individual stocks or starting a side business could be your path to substantial financial growth. Remember, every investment carries some risk. Therefore, always do your research and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. Let's recap what we've learned today about becoming a money-savvy millennial. We started by identifying unnecessary expenses, those sneaky little costs that creep into our daily lives and nibble away at our hard-earned money. By keeping a keen eye on our spending habits, we can weed out these financial drainers and keep our wallets happier. We then delved into the art of developing a frugal mindset. Remember, being frugal isn't about deprivation. It's about making informed and thoughtful decisions that maximize value and minimize waste. Next, we highlighted the importance of prioritizing long-term financial goals. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or starting a business, having a clear and tangible goal can guide our financial decisions and motivate us to save. Finally, we explored sensible investment options, reminding ourselves that investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's a powerful tool that can help us grow our savings over time. Empower yourself with the knowledge and skills needed to pave your way to financial freedom. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a financially secure future.